If you're freelancing, there's a good chance your work lives in more than one app. That's how it starts. Client details in messages, tasks in notes, payments in spreadsheets, invoices in email. Each tool works well on its own, but together things start to feel scattered. In this video, we'll walk through a simple system built inside Notion, designed for solo freelancers to organize and track their work in a way that's structured but still easy to manage. Freelance HQ contains mainly 4 parts: Clients Portal, Projects, Tasks, and Invoices. Let's start with the action buttons up top. You can quickly add new leads, projects, tasks, meetings, or invoices with just one click. They save a lot of time and keep things moving. Then comes the navigation portal. It allows you to directly access all the databases from here, whether it's clients, proposals, or projects. In this section, you can check day-to-day tasks and meetings in one place, which gets updated on a daily basis. You just have to check them off one by one after completion. Any pending tasks show up here, so you don't miss out on anything. This is the calendar section. You can see all the tasks and meetings that are scheduled for the week here and also check them off. Monthly tasks show up here. Now, let's talk about the client space. Here, you can see all your clients categorized as active and inactive. Active clients are the ones you're currently working with, and you can easily change their status when needed. There's also a lead funnel that will help you track the status of each lead, whether it's new, negotiating, closed, or abandoned. As the leads move through the process, you can update their status accordingly. Next is the project space. This is where you can track all your ongoing projects. You can check deadlines, monitor progress, and even drag the cards to update their status. It's super visual and will help you stay on top of deadlines. Then we have the invoice tracker. It classifies the invoices according to their status. You can update their status right from here, which is super convenient. The Freelance HQ template is easy to customize. You can change its look according to your preference anytime. Now let's see how to use the Freelance HQ to manage a complete client process. Suppose you got a new lead. First of all, click here to add a new lead. Fill in the details. This is a description box in case you want to note down anything about the lead, like the project type, client budget, or your budget, so you can recall it later. As things progress, just update the lead status to negotiating. Once the client closes the deal, mark them as active. Now, inside the client space, there is an onboarding checklist that streamlines your client process so that you don't have to think about the next step every single time you close a client. The first thing to do is send a proposal to the client, where you mention your agency details, the client's expectations, the expected duration of the project, deliverables, and their charges. The next step is to send an initial payment invoice. With just one click, you can generate this super professional invoice and then send it to your clients. First, fill in these details, then mention the issued and due dates. This place is for your agency's details, and this is for the client's details. Then, just fill in the billing items, their quantity, and price. You have to mention the subtotal here, add the discount and tax rate to get the total amount. Mention the payment methods and your signature. Once payment is confirmed, add a new project for the client, fill in the properties, you can use the button to do the same. Then add the tasks. Let's say logo 1, assign a date, logo 2 and logo 3, and assign a date to each one. Similarly, you can also add meetings. This calendar will help you assign dates to tasks. The tasks show up here. Now change the project status to in progress. After completing the project, you can send the final invoice before delivering the assets just like before. Same process, easy and quick. So yeah, that's how you can manage your freelance workflow using Freelance HQ. You don't have to follow my exact process, you can customize it to suit your style. By the way, if you're thinking of getting this product, check out the link in the description. Now, about the invoice template, you only need to set it up once. Just change the logo and add your agency's address and contact details, payment methods, and signature. You can also change the currency. Just right-click on the subtotal, click Edit Property, go to Number Format, and select your desired currency. Do the same for the discounted price, tax price, and total amount. To export an invoice, just open it, click on the 3 dots, and then click Export. The format should be set to PDF and the page format to A4. Then just export it. It will look this way. If this walkthrough helped, more videos focused on simple work systems will be shared. Subscribe to get notified.